Hello and welcome to Be Empowered, a podcast series that is provided to you by BioLabs. We are live here from the Bio Conference 2024 in San Diego, and today I have the pleasure of welcoming Nori from MiCAN Technology. Welcome, Nori, and thank you for joining us. Maybe we can start by you can introduce yourself and your company. What does MiCAN Technology do?
Sure. On behalf of our CEO Kazuo Miyazaki, I'm taking this interview. So MiCAN Technology is a startup venture based in Kyoto. And, so our primary products include manufacturing and sales of immortalized cells. And our sales is delivered from PBMC or iPS cells. So our cells express various receptors. That means our cell can produce many kind of cytokines. This is really important. So now we are developing these cells to MAT monocyte activation test. So we established a base in Heidelberg in Germany in this January.
Okay, and so you're originally based in Kyoto, right? And so why did you choose to expand your business in BioLabs Heidelberg, actually?
Yeah, so we are developing products for the MAT in Euro because so MAT is listed in European pharmacopoeia. So that's why now we are thinking so European market is really important. So that's why we have a base at Heidelberg first.
Okay. Nori, maybe you can explain to us as well how did joining BioLabs Heidelberg help your company accelerate your company growth?
Okay, since joining BioLabs in January, so we have been advancing the development of MAT products adapted for the European market. There are three aspects that we have a particularly surprise for our CEO. And first, there is a support for forming networks, including various technical seminars sponsored by company and consulting with a local law. The representative from the big company like Sam Fishers and Militani comes every month and providing timely support to address any issues we encounter. Second, there is no need to purchase expensive equipment. This is really important for us, like a startup ventures, and we don't need to establish a company in Euro side because it's also really needed for our startup ventures. And the third, I don't know, I think it's Miyazaki likes to drink, so there is a happy hour, right?
Yes.
And he said he don't often join this happy hour, but it's really good to know the trend in Euro or other country and to catch up there.
Yeah, you're perfectly right. It's one of the perks of joining a BioLabs site is that you get to connect with other entrepreneurs. Because being an entrepreneur can be lonely, right? And so the idea for sure is to create a community there, and it sometimes go through happy hour. It's very important. I agree. And so, based on your experience, what are the key factors for a startup to grow as MiCAN did? You know, like to the point where you're actually expanding to other continents.
We believe our MiCAN startup ventures to grow. It's really crucial to quickly materials unique idea. Therefore, access to the new equipment and companies that can assist in financial depletion are essential too. And assuming the financial aspect is solved by on their sales. And the key factor for growth is whether we have the system in pressing materials our idea.
Okay, and we just have a few minutes left, but we might have aspiring entrepreneurs, right, listening to us. Would you have a key advice to give them if they would want to launch their biotech startup soon?
I'm not sure it's a right English, but Toyota has a concept, the place the product, and which means going to the actual place. And it seems to emphasize the importance of going to the site to truly understand the need and challenges. In the case of MiCAN, we are developing a product called Milk MAT, targeting to the European market, and I feel that only by being at BioLabs Heidelberg can we truly develop product for the European market. And there is some grant, golden ticket, as Miyazaki said, people use this grant for searching their local situation.
Yeah, that's indeed a great opportunity to join one of our BioLabs sites. You can have a look on the BioLabs website. There is always a golden ticket opportunity, which will allow you to join a BioLabs site for one bench for free and for 1 year. So great opportunity to connect and to apply that great advice of get to know your customer and its needs indeed on the ground. So thank you so much,
Thank
Nori.
you.
It was great talking to you.